In this video, we will see how to edit every backlight settings of the Polar Graphics Pro. So, press the lower left button to reach the menu and press the upper right corner to reach the bottom of the page to select Settings. Then go into General Settings and go down to Backlight. Backlight Brightness. So from here, you're able to choose between high, medium, low, or with the button, the light button only. The light button is just right here. So if you go on light button only, this means that the backlight will never go on unless you press that button, and it will turn on for a few seconds. If you select low, high, or medium, you will realize that the brightness intensity change, and what it does is that at every time you will hit any button, it will turn on the light at high, medium, and low. But not only that, every time you will do the face-up movement to watch your watch, it will also automatically turn on the backlight. So that's the movement backlight settings too. Now, if you don't want the backlight to turn on when you move the watch, you have two options, and it's quite stupid. The first option will be to select only with light button, but it have the inconvenience that you will need to press it every time you want to use the watch and have the backlight. So I recommend to keep it at high, medium, or low. But if you want to disable it, the only other option is to come into Do Not Disturb. And if you are into Do Not Disturb mode, the backlight will not go on. But you won't receive any notification, of course. So you can simply turn on Do Not Disturb. So at this point, the backlight is disabled for the movement, but is still working with the button. And if you just want to disable it at night, because it's kind of useful at day, but when you do sleep, you don't want to have that big hollow on your wrist, you can set a schedule. So if I come here on the schedule, I can say, well, from 22 o'clock, choose the minute like that, to 8 o'clock, just like that. Turn on Do Not Disturb, and while having the Do Not Disturb mode on schedule, it will disable your backlight of the watch at night. So unfortunately, that's the only way to do it. Once you're done, you can come back to the main page by pressing the back button multiple times. And there we are. So this is it. Thank you for watching. I hope it helps. If yes, please smash the like button. If you are planning to buy this watch, you can see my link in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you can find me back easily next time you need help. If you want to see my other tutorial about this watch, you can see my playlist just right here. And you can also find me on my main channel just right there. Thank you for watching. Take care and see ya.